My dear friends, the other type of my silver play button and the silver letter are here, and I told you we would open it together, and we're starting now. Oh my god, I can believe it that the play button and the silver letter are arrived, and I'm so happy about it, and I can't wait how it looks like on real, because you only see this in the internet, and when you got it live you can believe that's really true. Give me a second. Finally. So, okay, let's open it together. Oh my god, that's the other silver play button. It looks so good. We will put it here first, and I really want to see what's that. Go away. And there is the silver letter, and I'm really excited how it looks like. So we will put it there. We don't need the shit. Perfect. We're starting first with the silver letter and then the silver play button. Okay, let's go. This is the silver letter. I'm really excited how it looks like, and I can't wait to see it. Okay, here we go, my friends. And oh my god, this is the silver letter. Oh my god, it looks so good, man. Oh my god, it looks so good. Wow, look at this. It looks so amazing. So amazing. It's the same text like the other letter that I got from my first silver play button, but here we go. Here it is. Oh my god, it looks so good. I will put it away, then I will let it here, and now we will open the new silver play button, and I'm really excited how it looks like, but I will say let's go. Okay, are you ready? My god, this is the paper, this is the letter. You see, this is the same letter like that. This is a card. This is the same letter. When this silver play button will damage, you can contact this email. And there we go. This is my silver play button, but the other styles. Boah, this is really heavy, heavier than the other, but it looks so good. I will put it here and I will show you guys now. Look at this. It looks so good, and this is a mirror too in the middle. Wow, and it looks so good. This is congratulations on you passing 100,000 subscribers. Here, you see, it looks amazing, and it's so heavy. I really want to hear it. Wow, it sounds so nice. I love it. But here we go. This is the silver play button in the other version, and you see, this looks so amazing. What do you think, guys? Please let me know in a comment. Oh my god, guys, you see it. It looks so amazing, and I will say, looks so good. I love it.